morning. I'm just going to sort of give you a bit of advice about driving in Thailand. I mean, I've drove in Thailand for a number of years and never ever been asked for the international driving permit. And I've seen the videos and things like that on YouTube, and it does appear that the Thai police are now a bit keen on that. And I've always had one, but never ever been asked for it. Anyway, I had to go online, and you used to just go to any post office and get them. Now it has to be a post office that has a pay point. So I'll drop you the link below so you can put your postcode in and search where your nearest place is to get one. They're basically only £5.50 to get. That's all it is. In Thailand you need the I think it's the 1968 one. Yeah, the 1968 one for Thailand. And it lasts 3 years. It's £5.50. You just basically go to the place, take your photo card, driving license with you. They will stick your picture in it, and I'll just cover up the bits and pieces. They'll stick your picture in it, and then they stamp what you're permitted to drive. And the main one with a UK driving license is there's not many people that's actually got motorbike. Unless you've done like your CVT and things like that, you haven't got it. So if you're going to rent a scooter, they will allow you to rent one. They won't care whether your license says you're valid for it or not. But when you get stopped, it will be 500 baht fine, and the police will let you drive away. So it's no big deal. You'll be able to drive away. But it can get expensive if you get stopped every few days. So just bear that in mind, that driving a scooter here, unless you've got that, you can't. Anyway, I got pulled over a few days ago with the police, and all they wanted to see was my international driving permit, and that is, like I say, the first time I've ever been asked for it. They didn't want to look at anything else, and you'll see that in the video next. So don't leave home without it.
What do you do?
Motorbikes, helmets.
There are police reported ahead.
He said wait.
Bike up key ครับผม
license
driver license
สวัสดีค่ะ
มีใบขับขี่ไทยไหม
ไม่มี
Oh international very good from London
No,
Yeah.
UK.
UK
huh? From London
UK.
ยี่ห้อละครับ
Happy with that?
อ๋อ
That it? Good?
Yeah, okay very good thank you
Thank
have a
you.
good trip mister
ขอบคุณค่ะ I don't know can
Keep
see
it
or not.
recording, yeah. So we've just been stopped by the police, and they wanted your international driving license. They weren't bothered about anything else, just as long as you've got your international driving license. So that's just proved it. Make sure you get them.